Hello and welcome to Auto. We are a fast-growing startup powering two-wheeler ownership in a smarter way with our proprietary flexible financing product and commerce platform. Our smart ownership plans for EV financing provides customer a completely digital paperless experience with flexibility of upgrade, tenure, and buyback. Here's how Auto simplifies EV ownership with our financing plans. Auto Super EMI plan provides customer an option to pay up to 35% lower EMI than any other bank option available and flexibility to continue, upgrade, or sell it back to Auto at an assured buyback bonus program at the end of the tenure. Here's how it works.
Step 1. Select the brand and the model of your choice. Step 2. Select the variant and the color of your choice and click on Proceed button. Step 3. Select the preferred plan, tenure and down payment. You can select tenure such as 1, 2 or 3 years and the amount of your down payment. And click on Start your application. Step 4. Enter the personal details, name, gender, date of birth and marital status. Step 5. Enter the contact details which is mobile number, email ID, address and house type. Step 6. Enter the income details such as job type, PAN card, salary and any existing loan details. And click on the Submit application button. Hooray! Your application is submitted.
12,000 happy customers and disbursement of $15 million till date, we are driving the smart ownership wave across the country. We have partnered with all the major electric brands in the country such as Hero Electric, Okinawa, Ather, Ampere, Pure EV and many more to come to make sure that every customer who aspires to buy an electric vehicle has an option to buy it through Auto. We have presence at across 600 plus dealerships around 10 cities already, and we are the front leaders when it comes to enabling financing for EV in the country. Our new age commerce platform, powered by content from users and experts of two-wheelers, drives more than 800,000 users on the platform on a monthly basis to discover and buy the dream bike. Starting from the discovery to purchase, Auto aspires to simplify this experience by 10x. We provide our customers with an option to do multiple home test rides of different vehicles from our partner showrooms, take in help of an auto expert to make a right decision of buying a bike, and get the bike at the best price in the market. Our in-depth hyperlocal presence enables this kind of simplified experience for millions of users across the country. We have seen multifold increase in the purchase of electric vehicles in last 2 years of time, which clearly indicates that the customer of today has become smart and is aware of the environmental and economic benefits that electric vehicle brings to the nation. And here we are at Auto, backed by top VC funds in the country, investing our resources and capital to build a smart ownership model for the smart citizens of the country. Smart ownership is not the agenda of the future, it is here now.